friends, so today we are going to discuss about NILET 2018 December paper. Okay, so with tricks, total 20 question. So first question is that, so this question asks, okay, in this type of question either you can solve with the help of master theorem or substitution method, but I give a trick on this method how to solve if you don't know master theorem or any recursion method. Okay, so first assume any value of n equal to 4. Here I assume n equal to 4. Now put this value into this equation. So first you have to put, so what you get, t n minus 1 means that t3. Now here you get t3, so that means t2. Okay, now find t2. So when you find t2, that means t1. Here you can see that t1 is given 1. So 2 in point 1, okay, into 1, 2 into 1, that means 2. So put this value into t2, then you get 2 into 2 4, that is 4. Now put this 4 value into t3, then you get 8. Okay, so here you can see this is the 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 1. So here you can see that this is the 2 to the power n. So option D is the correct answer, that is 2 to the power n. So in this way you can solve this type of question with assuming any value for n. Okay, so now next is number of leaf node. So here assume a tree with either 0 or 3 children. Okay, so assume any tree, you can design any tree with 0 or 3 children. So now here I assume this tree. So here n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here n equal to 7. Now put this 7 value into each option. Here if you put here, then 7 divided by 2, that is equal to 3. So this is not the answer because they want to know what is the leaf node. Leaf node means this, that have no child. Okay, so this is leaf node. Now put this value into option B. So 2 into 7 plus 1, that is 40, 15 divided by 3, that is 5. So this is the answer, option B is the answer. So now next is, here it is help of NOR gate. So this is you have to design the tree. So this formula a b plus c, this is the distribution. You can break this formula with the help of distribution. Okay, that means first a goes to c, then b goes to c, that is it is a distribution formula. Okay, so put double bar because they want to know NOR gate, so you have to put double bar. Now break this bar into two parts, that means you get a plus c bar plus b plus c bar. Okay, then whole bar, that is here we get how many NOR gate, 1, 2 and 3. So sorry for the inconvenience. So here you can get 3 NOR gate. Okay, so 3 NOR gate is the answer. Now next is time to live. Time to live is used in TCP/IP protocol. Okay, to prevent the packet looping. So option B is the answer. Now, okay, in new NILET syllabus they did not mention the automata part, so you have not read the automata. Okay, because if the question asked, that is either 1 marks question. Okay, only 1 or 2 question they ask in automata part because they did not mention into the syllabus. So here B is the self loop, so for this reason it is star. Next A, here this arrow indicate 1, only 1 value. Okay, now here it is also self loop, that is B. So this is the equation we get. Now here find the subnet mask of the broadcast of this. Okay, here you can see this is the class C. In class C there have 24 subnet ID, and in class A that is 8, and class B 16 subnet ID. Okay, so here you can see these 3 part should be the same. So how you get the same? If we multiply with 255, then you get the same value. So multiply this with 255. So here at least 3 255 are there. So option These and these are eliminated. Okay, in this way you can eliminate the option. Now here it is given 257, that is not, because that is out of range. So now find this 31. If you convert 31 into binary, then you get 30 and 51. Okay, now if you find, and now convert this 30, first 30 into 1. Okay, now all other 1 you convert it 0. Okay, in this way you can find the subnet. Now transfer this into decimal value, you get 240,224. Okay, but here you can see that in any option this is not given. So for this reason, this is, there should be none of these options should be there, because this question is wrong. In either way you can option C, you can correct, because this is 244 is near about 224. For this reason, this option C should be the correct answer. So now next is the smallest element find in binary max heap. So in max heap, root element should be the greater than the child element. So but here it is given the smallest. So for this reason, this is O(n). Okay, if it is given largest element at that time, that is O log n, that is the heap time complexity. Okay, best case, but in worst case, that is O(n). Now next is ALU. So ALU store the immediate result into accumulator, and catch is the smallest and fastest register, and stack is perform push and pop operation in LIFO method. Now symbol is used in derive attribute. So let there have age is a, date of birth is a attribute. So age is the derived attribute. How it is derived attribute? If you dashed eclipse, that means option A is the correct. And rectangular box is used in entity, like if there are student entities, at that time you have to rectangle box is used. Now next is among which option must be main memory, reside in main memory. So in main memory it is stored, loader is stored in the main memory, and assembler is the transfer machine language into low level language into machine language, that is the work of assembler. And compiler is provide the runtime environment. Okay, and linker link the high level into machine code. Okay, so now this, here how to find the frequency. Frequency equal to 1 divided by time. Here time is mentioned 100, but here it is given microsecond, so you have to convert this into seconds. So 10 to the minus 3. After solving this, you get 10 is the answer. Now here simplify. So how you can simplify? This is the formula, as I said that this is the distribution formula. So A, B bar and C bar. Okay, this is the distribution formula. You have to remember all the Boolean algebra formula. Now next is program relocation. So here only option is the negative word. Okay, so this is eliminated. In this way you can, if you don't know answer, you can eliminate the option. Now to program relocation, you have to use both base address and relative address, and relocation also used to transfer complete block to the some memory location. Now next question, worst case time complexity of the binary search tree. So binary search tree worst case time complexity, that is O(n). So when it is worst case time complexity, at the when the binary tree occur in skewed from, okay, that means in one direction. Okay, at that time this we have to perform search and update and delete operation O(n) time, because we have to traverse whole the tree. Now here this is, it have a formula, that is 2 to the power n minus n. So this put the n value, so you get 12 as the answer. Now next here this is, and this formula also used in binary balance tree to find the how many binary balance tree exist. Now here first you have to put 1, then you have to draw a control flow diagram for this type of statement. Okay, so now put 2 to 6 up to 6. Okay, now this 7 is provide in another node. So here go to statement is exist, that send into again to go to. So here you can see that 3 vertex and 3 edges are there. Okay, so now next is number of queues needed to implement a symbol table. So for to store the symbol, where we store the symbol? In variable. So answer is variable tree. Now identify the true statement. So 3NF always provide the lossless and dependency preserving. So option A is correct. And any two relation is in BCNF. So this is also correct. And BCNF does not provide the dependency guarantee. Okay, remember this thing. Now this convert hexadecimal. First you have to convert this hexadecimal into binary, and then you have to convert this binary into hexadecimal. Okay, and it is given into octal. Okay, octal, first octal to binary, then hexadecimal. So option A is the correct if after transforming. Okay, so here slots are given and 100 elements. So divide 100 1000 divided by 10, then you get 100 is the answer. Now next, HTTP have to TCP may differ TCP connection for two different objects of a web page if non-persistent connection are used. So this is true. Now FTP is used to TCP connection for, this is also true because FTP use 22 and 21 port number. It use two port number. Okay, for this, for one is data control and one is another is data and another is for control. Okay, so for this reason FTP use two port number. So this is true, but telnet and FTP can only use two connection at a time. This is not true because telnet use only one connection, that okay, only one port number here. Now next, this is the last question. Please subscribe my channel.